In this video, I'm going to show you how to attach an email in Yahoo Mail. So there's actually no direct way to do this. However, there's a nice workaround I'm going to show you right now, and it works just as good. So let me show you. The first thing you have to do is, of course, open up the email which you want to attach to a different email. I'm going to go with this sample mail down here, so I'm just going to click on it. And then you want to go to the top, click on these three dots to open up the more settings, and you want to click on print. Now, when you click on print, it's going to open up in a separate tab just like this, and all you have to do is switch your destination from whatever printer you have selected to save as PDF. Now, once you do this, it's actually going to go and save your email as a PDF, and if you click on save here, you can just go and give it a name, whatever. I'm going to keep this as sample mail and make sure it's a PDF, save it wherever you want, and click on save. Once you've done this, you can then go and add a new message to, of course, start typing out a new email, and you can then just go and add an attachment by clicking attach files, and you can just go and find your sample email. So for me, if I actually scroll up here, there we go, I can click on sample mail, click on open, and there we go, I've successfully attached an email as a PDF file in Yahoo Mail. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.